Hi everyone, it's Haoyang here. As you can see, this is my iOS app. I haven't installed it in my phone yet. Not sure if it requires an Apple developer's account, which is not free. So I demo it on emulator just to show the concept. As discussed in the presentation, this is the Home Hub device, which runs on an NVIDIA Jetson Nano. And this is the actuator. In this case, my lock. As the only end device. Let's assume they are attached a unique serial ID when they are manufactured. So the serial ID for hub is my first hub 001, and the serial ID for lock is my first lock 001, which are pretty make sense, right? This serial ID are unique and immutable because they are used to hardcode the inner program for MQTT messaging protocol. So basically you cannot change it. They are set as they are manufactured. So let's look at the app. Let's log out first, since the current app keeps the user login using the local store session token. So let's log in. Sorry, I have to put down my phone and typing. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and type. Okay, I finished typing my email and password. Let's log in. You see, currently I have some random devices under some random hub, which I used for testing previously. You can toggle the hub here, and a picker will show. You can see there are some random devices connected to the different hub. But obviously, none of them are matching my hub and my current lock serial number. So let's add one device. Notice that the text prompt that at least for initial adding stage, make sure your phone and the device you are adding are on the same network. Otherwise, you won't be able to add because the phone will actually try to connect the MQTT broker, which runs on the hub. So let's add our device. I have to put down my phone again. My first lock. As you see, I've already correctly entered my first hub 001 and my first lock 001. So let's add it. Okay, I think now we can find the device we just add. Yeah, it's here. Okay, so let's try to lock it. Okay, great. Unlock it. Yeah, as you can see, the gear driven by the motor spin clockwise and counterclockwise. So with some correct transmission mechanism attached to this gear, we can definitely make it lock and unlock our home door. So let's try other devices here. How about Hubble World? So obviously that doesn't work because since those devices doesn't match the serial number, we don't know where they are. So even if we happen to guess the serial number for other device, we cannot add. Even if we happen to add it, we cannot operate since there's no MQTT connection between the device and the home hub. So yeah, that's basically my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.